I recently learned how to link cells from an Excel sheet into the body of a paragraph in a Word document, and that is a game changer if you write the same report monthly, but the information that you're using has changed. So this is a great thing, but this is not what the video is about. The video is about a formatting issue that happened when I linked them, and I wanted to go over it because it seems like a lot of people in the message boards are having the same issue. So just follow along if you're having the issue, and I hope this helps. So right away, I have a number here that I want to link in B2. So my initial instinct, the first thing I did was I highlighted the area where I want it to go, and then I right-clicked and I selected both link and keep source formatting and link and merge formatting. I tried both, and the problem stays the same with both of them. And the problem is that it adds space before and after the link. And I don't want that. I want it to remain in paragraph format. And it was really hard to change this formatting. I couldn't get it to work properly, even when I changed paragraph settings. And even when I got things to line up, when I refreshed the information to reflect new information on the Excel sheet, it formatted like this again, and I lost all the work I put in. So how do you fix this? How do you make sure this doesn't happen? Well, I'm gonna undo the changes, and I'll show you how to do it. So we are going to grab that cell, copy. We're gonna do the same thing where we have our area that we want to paste it in selected, and instead of right-clicking, we go up to Home, Paste, and then we click the downward arrow there, and we go to Paste Special. And here we're going to paste link. So switch it to paste link. And I've done both formatted and unformatted. They're both good, so it just really depends on what you want. And then click OK. And as you can see now, I'm just going to take out that extra space there. We've got the number and the link is working, but we have to test it to make sure. So I'm going to pull up this and change this number. Let's change it to 50. So we're going to save it, make sure it's saved. We're going to highlight the updated one. And now to update it, we press F9 on our keyboard. And if your F9 is already a shortcut for something else on your computer, push FN, then F9 together, and that should work. I, however, can just push F9. There we go. It updated and my formatting is still the same. And just for further proof, let's try something else. Save. I can also update everything at once. So say I have all of these linked, everything is filled in, there's a bunch of different links operating. I can hit Control A on my keyboard, that will select everything, and then do the same thing, hit F9 or FN F9, and that will update it accordingly. Look at that, beautiful. And my formatting stayed intact. So this is how you do it. Remember, it's paste special, and then you have to just go from there. So I hope this helped you guys. Let me know in the comments if it did, and I appreciate you watching.